The voice of the rain. In this poem, Walt Whitman describes the dialogue between the poet and the rain. When the poet asks who it is, the rain replies that it is the poem of earth, eternally rising from the land and sea as invisible vapor. It travels upward, changes its form in the sky, and then returns to the earth as rainfall by washing dust, soothing droughts, and giving life to seeds. Rains renew and purifies the world. The poet compares the rain journey to that of a song which returns lovingly to its origin after fulfilling its purpose. Let's break it down in bits. Who is the poet of the poem Walt Whitman? What does rain call itself? The poem of earth. Where does the rain rise from? From the land and the bottomless sea. Where does the rain go after rising? To the sky, heaven. What does the rain do when it falls? It washes the dust layers and gives life to seed. What does the rain make pure and beautiful? The earth. Which poetic device is used when rain is made to speak? Personification. What does lave means? To wash or bath. What does rain compare itself to? To a song, a poem. Why is rain important? It gives life to seeds and purifies the earth. There are some MCQs. The voice of rain is written by, yes, the answer is Walt Whitman. Rain calls itself, yes, the poem of earth. Impalpable, yes, impalpable means unable to be touched. Rain rise from, yes, it rises from land and sea. What does rain wash? Droughts and dust layers. Which device is used in soft falling shower? Its alliterations. Why the last two lines are in brackets? It is because they are the poet's comment. Rain returns to where? Yes, its origin. The poem mainly explains cycle of rain. The comparison between rain and song suggests that both rise and return. The poem shows rain as the poem of earth, a natural cycle that rises from the land and sea, reaches the sky, and then returns to the earth to give life. Whitman compares rain to music, suggesting that just as a song returns to its origin after giving joy, rain returns to the earth after fulfilling its life-giving purpose. Poetic devices in the poem. Personification. Rain speaks like a human. I am the poem of earth. Metaphor. Rain is compared to a poem of earth. Imagery. Yes, words like soft falling shower, droughts, dust layers create vivid images. Repetition. It is repeated at the beginning of many lines. Symbolism. Rain symbolizes renewal, purity, and the continuous cycle of life. Enjambment. Lines flow into one another without pauses. Alliterations here. Soft falling, latent, unborn are there. There are two voices in the poem. Who do they belong to? Which lines indicate this? The two voices belong to the poet and the rain. The poet's voice is seen in the line, and who art thou? Said I to the soft falling showers. And the rain's voice appear in the line. I am the poem of earth, said the voice of the rain. What does the phrase strange to tell mean? The phrase strange to tell means that it is surprising, unusual, or remarkable that the rain answered the poet's question as if it were a living being capable of speech. There is a parallel drawn between rain and music. Which words indicate this? Explain the similarity between the two. Word indicating for the comparisons are the poem of earth, for song returns, fulfillment and returns. So what are the similarities? A song rises from the poet's heart, travels outward, gives joy, and eventually returns to its origin with love after fulfilling its purpose. Rain rises from the earth as vapor, travels upward to the sky, changes its form, and returns to the earth to give life. Both complete a cycle journey and return to their source after serving their purpose. How is the cyclic movement of rain shown? Compared with science, the poem shows the rain cycle as follows. It rises in parable from the land and sea. Evaporation. It forms cloud in the sky, called condensations. It returns to earth as rain to wash dust and revive seeds. Precipitations. This is the same as the scientific water cycle. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and then repeat. The poem presents this scientific process in a poetic and personified way. Why are the last two lines put in brackets? The last two lines are in brackets because they express the poet's personal comment or reflections. They are not a part of the rain's speech, but Whitman's interpretation that rain, like a song, returns lovingly to its origin after fulfilling its purpose. List the pairs of opposites found in the poem. Day and night, rise and descend, change and same, hell and heaven, unborn and fulfillment, wrecked, unwrecked. These opposites highlight the continuous balanced cycle of nature.